So welcome to Shreeman IAS, and this is the answer writing improvement series for geography optional subject, in which we are going to discuss the geography first topic, that is geomorphology. And in geomorphology, today's question is describe phreatic eruption and what are their consequences. So this is the question of for 100 words, and in this question there are two types of questions, means there are two questions which is involved in this single question. First one is what is phreatic eruption. So we should write and we should tell about what is phreatic eruption firstly, and then we have to write about the consequences of phreatic eruption. So what is phreatic eruption? Phreatic eruption you can also relate with this volcanoes, means volcanoes से आप इसको relate कर सकते हो, but this phreatic eruption is totally different from the volcano because it is due to the steam, means these are steam driven explosion, and this steam is formed because this lava, it comes in the contact with the groundwater, and because of so much heat of the lava, this groundwater becomes vaporized and this steam suddenly explode the rocks just above this groundwater source, and due to this explosion this phreatic eruption is evolved. So what is phreatic eruption? These are steam driven explosion which occur when water beneath the ground or on the surface is heated by the magma, lava, hot rocks or new volcanic deposits. Because of the intense heat of lava, magma near about 1170 degrees centigrade, water would be boiled, it will convert into the steam, and this steam has very large or wide volume, and due to the expansion of water in the form of steam, it suddenly explodes, and this is the steam driven explosion. It looks like this image. तो यहाँ पर जब भी कुछ explosion हुआ होगा, what will be formed? These are the clouds. Clouds किसके हैं? Steams, which contain several rocks. Dust means it will contain rock fragments and steam. Since the inclusion of lava is rare and the fragments have a temperature which ranges from the cold to extremely hot, तो यहाँ पर ये जो लावा बन रहा है, मीन्स ये जो एक्सप्लोजन हुआ है, दिस phreatic eruption, उसके कारण एक यहाँ पर क्रेटर बन जाता है. This crater is called Mars. So in the first half of the question we already explained about phreatic eruption. What is phreatic eruption? Now in the second part of this question we will tell about the consequences of phreatic eruption. So consequence means उसके बाद क्या होने वाला है. This phreatic eruption or volcanoes both are sudden eruption. So sudden eruption है, इसलिए क्या होगा, eruption without warning. There would not be any warning कि यहाँ पर ये phreatic eruption होने वाला है या नहीं होने वाला है. So there would not be any warning, so the people are unprepared, और जब people unaware होंगे उसके कारण क्या होगा, people और वहाँ पर जो भी properties है उसका loss होगा. Evacuation of residents needed, if not evacuated timely, that it may lead to human loss. It means a large amount of human loss could be possible because of this sudden phreatic eruption. Next thing, कहीं पर भी ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है जैसा कि अभी आपने देखा टर्की में अगर earthquake आया है, तो economic activities of those areas are suddenly stopped, means shut down of economic activities like airport, industrial activities, all kind of economic activities would be hampered, and it can form expensive low relief craters, means जहां से आपने अभी यहाँ देखा था, यहाँ से बाहर निकल रहा है phreatic eruption, तो ये जो गड्ढा हो जा रहा है, this is called Mars. This huge crater is called Mars, and this Mars is created by the phreatic eruption. Later, when the water will be accumulated in this crater, this is called crater lake, just like the volcanoes. Now, this phreatic eruption can also occur and melt the peaks of glacier or lakes. If this phreatic eruptions happen in the glacier region, in the mountain region, then because of the high temperature, it will melt the glacier, which will increase the water level in rivers. And when this lava flow over the wet sediments would be there, then small scale phreatic eruptions would be there. It means when the volcanoes would be exploded, and because of the explosion of volcanoes, lava will be spread here and there, then जो लावा स्प्रेड हो रहा है जस्ट अबव द सरफेस, उसके नीचे अगर वो वेट सरफेस है, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस हाई टेम्परेचर द वाटर विल बी बॉइल्ड एंड इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू द स्टीम, एंड वहां पर भी आपको स्मॉल स्केल फ्रेटिक इरप्शन मिल सकता है. When it erupts in the ocean, it means it erupts in the coastal region, then tsunami waves could be generated. Means tsunami generate हो सकती है, which can destroy the coastal villages and coastal areas. And it releases carbon dioxide and hydrogen sulfide gases, which can increase the toxicity in our atmosphere. So due to toxic gases, there are many cases कि वहां के लोग हैं उनकी डेथ भी हुई है. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. अगर मैं इसके एग्जाम्पल की बात करूं फ्रेटिक इरप्शन की, सो इन 1883 इन क्राकातोआ volcano it was erupted. In Kilayu region of Hawaii, it recorded the longest phreatic eruption or explosion, और ये हुआ था 1924 में. In 1979 phreatic eruption was occurred on Java Island, जहां पर लगभग 140 से ज्यादा डेथ हुई थी because of this toxic gas release. So this is about the phreatic eruption on this question. We will meet in another series of this lecture series, AWIP. Thank you.